about the cold plunging and, you know, want to give it a try and, you know, questioning why we do it, you know, what kind of benefits there are. For me, it's this connection to my mind, body, and nature. And at the same time, it's like reprogramming my nervous system, that fight or flight versus, you know, ground and calm feeling. And just knowing that I can control my reaction of staying in and staying regulated and continuing to breathe. As soon as you stop breathing, you'll get out. You don't have the mental power to just focus and be present. Water is splashing so hard that I need to put a better jacket on. Just like that, your sanctuary. This is a sacred space. This is for a practice that means a lot to us, to me. Four inches, and that whole block is under there now. Nice size hole. So by going in and staying in and calming the mind and focusing on breath and creating this rhythm of breath and this awareness and being conscious of and controlling of the breath, being conscious and controlling the breath, you're able to hold your mind still, connected with your body in this beautiful, fresh water. Minus 26 in Ontario. The water doesn't feel as cold.